Good morning, teacher. How are you? Today, present vocabulary, adventure, travel, and grammar present perfect with already, just, and yet. My name is Juan Armijos, course décimo A. Teacher María Fernanda Morales Ávila. Vocabulary. Number 1, go backpacking. Number 2, go on a cruise. Number 3, go ballooning. Number 4, go mountain biking. Number 5, go rafting. Number 6, go on a safari. Number 7, sailing. Number 8, go to summer camp. Number 9, go rock climbing. Index 1, present perfect. 2, just. 3, already. 4, yet. Present perfect. We are going to use auxiliaries like have and has. Has is used only for third person. The verb must always be in the past participle. The present perfect formula is subject and has or have and verb in past participle and complement. Example: she has forgotten her folder. Just. The just is used to say that an action or an event happened almost a minute ago. Sometimes, curious about the use is that is only used affirmative and a question. Example: they have just washed their car. Already. Already is used when sometimes happened early that expand. Already can be used at the end of sentences or before the participle verb. Yet. The yet is used an event that has not happened but will happen in the future. He is also the only on to answer is a negative way. Example: where is Sam? He hasn't arrived yet. Thank you, teacher. It's a beautiful day.